Okay, so we're gonna get ready with my mom, and she's in a really good mood. Oh, we're dancing. Alright, so first she's gonna put on some lip balm because her lips be crusty. Yes, they do. Anyways, now she's gonna put on some primer because, when you get that glow, It's like, no, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Anyways, now we're gonna fill in her eyebrows. Y'all, I gotta be real with y'all. Her eyebrows aren't even real. They are microbladed. Alright, they used to be bald. That used to be scary when she used to get mad, but it's all in the past. Anyways, they're looking good. So she's filling herself, you already know. And now we're gonna do some concealer. Because the under eyes, they're real. Alright. Some people don't have to deal with it, but the bags, they're really real, And you gotta blend that in. You gotta make sure it's all blended, and blended, Because if it's not all blended, then it just looks weird. And my mom's not weird, so she gonna blend that in. Yes. So now we're looking a little bit pale, but just trust the process, alright? She knows what she's doing. Alright, so now we're gonna put the powder on because we don't want no wrinkles or creases. Oh, now we're adding the tan. We're adding the light back into her skin. And now she's looking more refreshed. And yeah, so now it's looking good. And now we're gonna do the blush. Oh my gosh, I love blush. It looks so amazing. And yeah, I might steal that from her later, but you never know. Might get caught. Anyways, but yeah, now she's just blending that in. It's looking very cute. Oh, dance break. Anyways, now for these spider legs, because we did not get the gene of good eyelashes, but it's okay. It's okay. So now she's just putting those on her eyes, and she's just fixing it up. Oh, them tweezers just a little bit too close. Anyways, she's just gonna glue those on, and yeah. Oh, okay. I like that face there. So yeah. Oh, she feeling herself. Okay. Oh, now we're using mascara. I didn't really think they need to be any longer, but she's just going for that look. So now she's going to change. Oh, the eagle sweatshirt. Yes. Oh, fly eagles fly. Fly eagles fly. Yes. Okay. Get it. Oh, alright. So now she's gonna do her hair. I'd be jealous, but it's okay. Cause her hair looking bomb. It's looking so good. So now she's gonna spray this stuff in her hair. I don't really know what it is. Sorry, I can't tell y'all, but oh no, she wanted me to do her voiceover. But anyways, so now she's just picking it out, and it's all good. Now she's gonna add the hoopty hoops. Okay. Pulling this look all good and together. Oh. Y'all, she feeling herself. She ready for this game, alright? She ready. Okay, we got the goodies.
Alright, this is like the only angle I can put you guys at that will allow me to be safe while driving and talk to you guys at the same time. So, anywho, yesterday Eagles won, so praise Jesus for that. Today is Sunday. I just picked up some tropical smoothie for Brandon. I was gonna get one, but it's kind of cold and not really feeling it. What I am feeling though is later on Brandon had marinated some chicken yesterday. He saw like this Chipotle chicken bowl recipe. I'm looking forward to that. Your girl is hungry. So that's that. This vlog is actually not going to be anything crazy this weekend because really didn't have anything going on. I know I say that all the time, but it's the truth. I'm trying to think of like what else I can tell you guys. The truth is my life is really not that exciting. So I don't even know why I chose to like vlog. I just like it. I do. Anybody who vlogs cannot tell me that they don't enjoy talking to themselves because I love talking to myself. I don't fight with myself. I agree with me. I hype me up. I do all the things. So yeah, I don't have to deal with anybody's opinions, whatever, because it's just me. And I'm the type of person too, like back in the day when I was in school, I would be like, if I had to like confront somebody or whatever, like whether it was one of my friends or somebody I didn't get along with or whatever, if I had to confront them, best believe I was one of those girls who will be practicing in the mirror, like, oh, she gonna say this, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tell her this. Having the full conversation, making up what I thought they would say and what I would say as a comeback comment. I say all that to say that people who talk to themselves and do all the things, like, feel like they would be good at vlogging, which is why I decided to try this vlogging thing, because I feel like, I mean, you're good at talking to yourself, so why wouldn't you be good at talking to the camera? And I honestly do feel like you guys are like with me on the other side of this. So my life is not exciting or whatever, but I feel like I really love those vlogs who like, they're not even necessarily like influencer type, but they're real. And I love people who are real, who are transparent, who aren't just showing out for the tube, who aren't just showing out for IG. I mean, obviously all of us want to put out good content, but want to be a part of the group who not only want to put out good content, but also they're real, you know? Like, it's so funny because when I watch my friend, I call her my friend. We haven't like officially met, but we were from the same city, and I actually started to get to know her because of her starting her YouTube channel and all of that stuff. So yeah, Alyssa, you're my friend. So I think about her, and sometimes I think about in some of her vlogs, like she'll say how she has to like turn on the stove to like heat up the house. Sometimes it be like that. You're not gonna see nobody who's like super influencer type people giving you that real rawness of what it is. Like, they're gonna be the types of people to just be like, oh, I'm not gonna show people that I have to turn my stove on to get me heat. They don't think I'm broke. Yeah, people online can be rude and nasty sometimes, but also there's those people that I guarantee you're gonna connect more with people by being real. And I'm not saying you have to put this out on your content. I'm just saying I relate to those things because I've gone through those things. I have gone through the struggle. I go through the struggle currently. So when I see people like put out content like that, like, I commend people. Like, thank you for being transparent. Thank you for being real and not just putting out stuff that, oh, I have a perfect life or whatever. Like, no, like, stuff happens to me. Things go crazy, they go haywire. I end up with no heat and I gotta turn my stove on to keep me and my babies warm. Hello, like, yes, these things are real, they happen. And that's another thing, like I love Alyssa work because, like I said, she's really raw, real, whatever. Like, she will hop on and be like, y'all seeing me in my truest, craziest form right now. But you know what? She still puts out bomb content, and I'm just like, yes, girl, yes.